Are you struggling to open JSON files in Excel or share them as readable reports on Mac? Introducing SysTools Mac JSON Converter Tool. Best tool to convert JSON files into multiple file formats such as SQL Script, XML, CSV, PDF, HTML, DOC, XLS, etc. Key features of the software. Batch JSON conversion. Easily convert multiple JSON files at once and export them into different output formats. Flexible import options. Choose between add file or add folder mode to upload single or multiple JSON files directly. Handles complex and large JSON. Process large and deeply nested JSON structures smoothly without crashing or data loss. Preserve folder hierarchy. Maintains the original folder tree structure during export. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Mac JSON Converter Tool. Click the top search result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the Download for Mac button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. Once you launch the tool, you'll be greeted with a simple and intuitive interface. Now, let's start the conversion process. The tool provides two options to import data. Add files. Use this option if you want to upload one or a few individual JSON files from different locations. You can select them manually, one by one. Add folder. This option is useful if you have multiple JSON files stored in the same folder. Instead of adding each file separately, you can simply load the entire folder in one go. Click on the Add Files or Add Folders button as per your need. Select the file that you want to convert. Click Open button. The chosen files will be listed in the main panel of the software. If you've selected the wrong file or want to clear the list, use the Remove option to delete a single file or the Remove All option to clear everything. Once you're satisfied with the selected files, click on the Next button to continue. In the next window, there are multiple export options. Options include CSV, Excel, PDF, HTML, or XML. Select the file format you want to convert your JSON file into. To preserve the original folder hierarchy in the output, tick the Maintain Folder Tree checkbox. This is useful if you're exporting multiple JSON files at once. Now, set destination location. Click on the Change button to choose the destination path where your converted files will be saved. Browse to the desired folder on your system. Once selected, click the Open button to confirm. Lastly, click the Export button to begin the conversion process. A progress bar will show the ongoing task. Depending on the file size and complexity, this may take a few seconds or minutes. After the process finishes, a pop-up window will appear with a success message. Click OK to close the pop-up. Now, click on the View Report button. You can see your converted JSON files in the chosen format. And that's it. That's how easily you can convert JSON files into multiple formats on Mac. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.